Hey, welcome, guys. It is Sunday night, July 6th, in preparation for Monday, July 7th. By the way, you guys are fine. I'll just do this. Um, we're going to skip the Market Wizards book on that tonight, but jump right into the analysis. This is the daily. We've been on this extended run above the 5 SMA. This day 9 was on Thursday, and then day 10 was Friday the 4th. It was U.S. markets were closed, but this is basically Asia and Europe trading session there. On Thursday, we did kind of an extended move up, and that was only a half day. So I thought that was kind of interesting. Um, we've had that extended run, and we're due for this move. We're closed back below the 5 SMA. Um, typically, if you close strong on a Friday, which again, Thursday was kind of our Friday, close strong on a Friday, you look for follow through on Monday. However, the fourth, we did we did kind of a company channel reversal on the gap chart. I'm flipping over here to the gap chart on this, and you can see that we had these. I was pointing out these potential or these pokes outside of the upper Keltner channel. Second Keltner channel reversal took place here. Third one took place here. The Friday was the fourth one taking place, more likely to work on this fourth one. Of course, we also have all those gaps down below. How long will it take us to get down there? I don't know. But we do have a number of gaps down below that we could still press into. I don't have this one marked here. There's a gap here that happened between the second and the third. And then Friday kind of came down and filled in between that with Asia and Europe there. Also, I wanted to show on the 240-minute chart. Um, we got, oh, that's the bars. Okay, this is the 240-minute chart here. If you remember last week, I was pointing out, watch to see if we get a second Keltner channel reversal outside, a push up outside of this, which we did. This push up here was on the third. Then on the fourth, we closed back below it. So we're looking for a retracement back to the 20-period moving average. As of right now, that has not played out. I just thought, hey, it may be interesting to watch for if we do get a push up, in here somewhere in the 61.8%. It's kind of done that a little bit overnight here. So in the morning, we could get an open and crap type play here, but I wouldn't be surprised if we try and move back up, hold up in here, and then if we start seeing shorting opportunities to take them there. Um, then then we could possibly drop off in the afternoon if we don't have a open and crash like day. Also wanted to point out on the 65,000 tick chart, how I have that measured move out of this kind of a range here where we could move up a measured move up out of that. What we did on the third. The third, we did end up pushing up here outside of that measured move. So that was beautiful to see that play out. Um, then on the internals, oops, sorry, hang on. The internals are over here. Um, this is the VIX here. I've been pointing this out. I've been looking for this divergence here. We're watching the VIX divergence and then waiting for the price action to follow. You can see here on the SPY on Thursday the 3rd, where we kind of extended up here again, left another gap here on the SPY. We're extended up on this bearish divergences on the VIX. So we want to keep an eye on that. And then I wanted to look at this is kind of I know won't spend a lot of time on this because I know you guys don't really follow this aspect here, but this is the overall market. So we got the copper, soy, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, silver, the ES, the 30-year bonds, nat gas, crude oil, gold currency, euro currency, and the British pound. And this is on 120-minute charts. You can see how a lot of these are moving down. So again, tomorrow we could get that move up into the 61.8 or the 50% retracements first. So, I want to be cautious being overly bearish to open the day. However, if we're seeing a trend-like environment, then we want to be able to identify that as quickly as possible and jump on board on that to the downside if it does just open and crap tomorrow. Um, weakness. Oh, no real news until Wednesday, the FOMC minutes. Oh, I did want to jump back over here on over here, this is the 240-minute chart. This 240-minute chart, we're still showing the same strength on the LBR 310. So I want to be careful of that. On the 60-minute chart, however, it did finally break down here and show that breakdown on July 4th. Again, that was just the Asian Europe markets open there. But we finally did show that weakness start coming in there. Also on the gap chart, the 60-minute, let me get over to this here. This is the gap chart on the 60-minute. So on the internal, the 60-minute version, we're still showing pretty strong there. So I want to be cautious of that showing on the 60-minute gap chart and showing on the 240-minute chart that we're still showing that kind of strength on the LBR aspect. So we'll be cautious tomorrow, but some things I thought were pretty interesting to make note of here. The Keltner channel reversals is kind of my main indication leading thing for tomorrow. I'm going to be looking for shorts and hopefully not get chopped up right before the short takes place. But all right, happy trading tomorrow, guys, and we will follow up soon.